You guys wouldn't mind another one. And another one. Yamaha Banshee, cool head, Toomies, Dune port. So we'll see how she goes. Only my Oklahoma peeps know about this right here. Taco Mayo, guys. I'm almost home. Had to run up to Oklahoma to get this Banshee. I'm not going to get to work on it till tomorrow, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks, guys. Be sure and like and subscribe. And these soft tacos are the shit. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's gone.
I it second when it was up. I was told it needed the carbs gone through, and I got there and it had no spark, I assume. So I tried some starting fluid and it wouldn't fire. But it's a good deal, so I still bought it. He told me he had replaced the CDI at one point. Anyhow, it wasn't sparking. So before you go deleting the key switch and the kill switch, just make sure everything's right. You know, take you a good look. I pulled the plug wires off, was kicking it. It definitely didn't have a spark. I got in here to the coil, ignition coil, that black and orange wire. One of them was off. I'm not sure which, because I kind of fiddled with them. They both kind of came off. Now she's sparking. So now that it's sparking, hopefully we'll get lucky. Maybe that's the only reason it wouldn't start. Maybe Papa can just start her up now and not even have to clean the carbs. You never know, man. I mean, that's what the hope is now. I mean, the carbs obviously aren't hard to clean, but I got the fuel on. She's not leaking. So that's a good sign. I'm gonna install this plug. We're gonna try and start her up, see what happens. So I'm gonna replace this peg bolt that's missing before I fire this bug up. And then we're gonna, it looks like I have to hold the choke with my hand. So I'm probably gonna have to set the phone down to do this, but I'll prop y'all up and see if it'll start, show you the first kick. I'm gonna fix this peg though. So we'll try it without any starting fluid first, see if we can get her to fire up. And if we can, then I don't know, we'll see. I didn't have the right peg bolts, so I gotta hold this damn choke. Okay, it's not gonna start. It'll definitely need the carbs going through, but it is freezing today. Maybe this stuff will do her, just to help her out a little. So we can hear what the Toomies sound like at least before I go through the carbs. Guys, my Banshee leaks. Does anybody know what's wrong with it? Anybody else ever have this problem where their Banshee leaks? Please help, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure and like and subscribe. And I need your help this year. I don't know who's watching the videos. You're a ghost unless you comment. So comment, tell us what's up. I'll reply to it, and then I know you're watching the videos because it's going to come into play later in the year. You want to hold the choke and I'll kick it, or do you just want to? Rudy?
Yep.
Should be able to turn loose on that choke, I think.
Damn, it's holding out. It was.
Dripping PB out of there for him. Foot peg fix. I gotta trim that off. I got this side just right. Thread all the way through the frame. worked out, boys. I got some parts in. Just some grips and some levers for it. I'm waiting on the Nerfs and stuff tomorrow, and I'm just painting this throttle cap so the top of the handlebars don't look like total dog shit. We're working on this Banshee today. Wanted to get some wheels and tires that kind of matched up the rear, so we went out in the shop and looked, out in the yard and looked. Some Yamaha wheels, decent tires, so we'll see if they're any good. Getting into this, taking these bars off and the levers off, gonna replace all them. Put a loom around this wiring. You see this trash, Blake?
Yeah.
That's why they like, yeah.
Look real good.
So what'd you do, just crimp that thing tighter and then put it back on the coil yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got the tires on it. We're waiting on a couple parts. We got a few over here. Got the new levers, grips, some spacers. Nerf bars coming today. Wife's making me stickers. Damn, you can see the old Banshee graphic right here. But anyways, I'm traveling.
Salary, $550 a week salary plus per diem.
Per diem.
$80 a day.
Per dictum. What do y'all think? Wife made me a couple Banshee sticks. Got some more up here and some more inside I gotta go grab, but it's a good start. It's a good start.
We got Bluetooth bars now.
Yep. Also, those are high tech.
I like to hold it.
Just hold it open.
Yeah.
Pin it.
I mean, like, look. It's like wakeboarding.
There you go. Nice.
Look, I could do donuts like this.
Yeah, not even on it. Pretty much done with the graphics for it, so we're waiting on some more parts to come in. And there's some 4-inch spacers. Basically, they go on the studs. We'll show you how they work. The whole set is like $22 on Amazon or eBay. Your choice. And it's going to make the rear end of this quad 4 inches wider. Now, I wouldn't use it for jumping. I wouldn't use it for like real hard, super hard riding. But if you keep an eye on them, they'll be all right for like drag racing around and stuff. I just wouldn't be going super rough terrain and jumping it. And I wouldn't send it with them on it, if that makes sense.
I would.
But it's going to look better. Oh, I mean, I will send it, but I wouldn't recommend y'all do it. New bars, some new grips, new levers, new master over there. Wife made graphics, swapped the front tires and wheels, and it's looking a lot better than it did. It's almost ready to sell once we get these Nerfs. Y'all are going to see it all come together. There you go, fellers. All the Nerf bars brand new in the box, so gonna get them installed. Here we go. Oh, it's actually snow. I'm still in Texas, guys. It's just snowing a little bit. So we got the Banshee done. I'm waiting on this to solidify, so we get y'all some. I'm thinking Big Wheel 80 is gonna have to rip it up, you know. Let this stick to the ground real good, and then Big Wheel 80 just let her eat. So I got the Banshee finished up. Little preview for the next one here. TRX 250R I picked up. CT70. No, Rolo, you fat bitch. Right on my new coat, Mike. Come on. Found this highly modded blaster. Oh yeah. Yamaha, baby. But that ain't all. I got you better than that. Sure, and like and subscribe. Share to your people, man. If you know some people that would like this kind of content, share it to them, because we got a new way we're going about it this year, and the people who help us the most, they're the ones we're going to take care of. These giveaways to random people, the giveaways aren't going to be random no more. So do your best, guys, and we appreciate it. I appreciate all you guys watching and subscribing. And this Banshee's finished up. I'll show you the finished product, and then I'll give you a little sneak peek. You come to the right place. We're here for the Banshee. There it is, done, boys. Ready to ride. Cleaned up a little bit. New bars, levers, grips, front tires, different wheels. Well, I changed the front wheels and tires. Wife made me graphics, new Nerf bars. I mean, we tuned it up. We did a few other things to it. We put the Amazon levers on it and the new master and lever. And turned out pretty good. We're going to have a rebuild video on this TRX that's coming up. And Looky here now, boys. I know that's got you. That's got your old brat plumping up, I think. Look at that. Jeez Louise. Some of this snow to stick so we can have some fun out here. That's the main thing. So I might not get any of this done because I just want to have fun up here in the snow with the kids. Look at them Nerf bars for this Odyssey. Original wheels and tires, sand paddles, side Nerfs front bumper, 6-pack rack. That's going to be a project soon too. YFZ 450's going in it. What's it? What in the hell? Watch it. Watch it in. It's who? Speak. I'm Henry. Nice. What on the earth? Won't you let the cat out? Little gobble. What's that? Got me little ice cubes. What the hell? What the cat hell? It's probably snowing better there, but you got more room here, bud. What, Rollo, you like it too, beef neck? Well, get him in. You better watch him.